Kjartan Kjartansson. Was that good?
No, it's fine.
Fine, thank you. Welcome to Brann and Bergen.
Thank you very much.
How is it to be here?
It's an amazing feeling to be here, and I just can't wait to get started.
Coming from Aberdeen to Brann, why did you want to have this move?
First of all, I didn't think my chances at Aberdeen were like as many as I hoped, and I just wanted to come here and improve my game.
What's your qualities as a footballer?
My qualities as a footballer are I'm a big physical midfielder. I like to get in duels, and I like to play simple and quick football.
We also have some other quick footballers here from Iceland already. What's your knowledge about them?
I obviously know Eggert very well, coming from the same town as him in Iceland. The other two I don't know personally, but I'm looking forward to get to know them.
What have Eggy told you about Brann and Bergen?
As soon as I asked him about him, he just said like instantly, just come, like you love it here, and like it's just a top place to be, and like yeah, you love being here, trust me.
You've just been here a few hours, barely got to see the stadium, but how's your first impression?
First impressions really positive. Stadium is amazing, and the Bergen looks great. So yeah.
On Sunday, we have a game. It could be your first chance to be in a squad and to play here for Brann. How would that be?
Obviously, it would be a massive honor to play here on Sunday, but we'll see how things go.
Welcome.
Thank you.